In this video, we'll learn how to use Snip and Sketch. First, type at the bottom, Snip. You will see Snip and Sketch. Click it. To take a new screenshot, click New. Click where you want to start your screenshot, then drag. When you're done, let go. You will see your screenshot. With your screenshot, you can draw with a pen, pencil, highlighter, or use an eraser. When you're done, you can click to copy or to save. If you don't like your screenshot, click New again for a new snip. And that's how to use the Snip and Sketch tool.